6 days on the road. Here we go. Well, I put the pitchwork rolling on the eastern seaboard. I got my diesel wound up and she's running like never before. There's a speed on a habit, alright. I don't kick up inside. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. I got my 10 4 gears and a Georgia overdrive. I take a little white pills and my eyes open wide. I just passed me a Jimmy and White while I'm passing everything inside. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Well, it seems like a month since I kissed my baby goodbye. I can have a lot of women, but not like a some other guy. I can find one to hold me tight, but I can never make believe it's alright. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. All the ICC is checking them down the line. I'm a little overworked and my lookbook's a little behind. But nothing bothers me tonight. I can watch the students tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. Yeah, my hometown's are coming inside. Well, I'm laughing and I'm happy, alright. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight.